Sage ERP-X3 promotes rapid and easy user adoption through direct access via the Web 2.0 portal. The web portal enables users to visualize all the information required to carry out their tasks and monitor their objectives. Sage ERP-X3 provides indicators, work plans and alerts, and presents them in a range of intuitive forms. The content varies according to the role and authorization level of each user. Sage ERP-X3 organizes industry processes in an interactive graphical form. Sage Visual Processes can present action sequences per process. Each user has a range of processes, and each process is presented stage by stage. With a simple click, the user can access the desired functions, either management functions, here, entering a sales order, inquiry, or edit functions. Help text is available, as are links to documents such as user guides providing transaction instructions. In this way, the company can embed its internal procedures into Sage ERP-X3. This environment is divided into roles within the company. Let's look at the role of the buyer and the principal processes, as well as the role of the planner. Sage Visual Processes offers a setup assistant to enable the management of data along with the relevant rules. In this example, the Sage Visual Process helps the user to create a new company. The process editor enables the content of each process to be customized. A large number of visuals and graphic tools are available. With Sage Visual Processes, collaboration and coordination within the company are enhanced. This enables the sharing and rapid evolution of the company's business processes. It's very easy for users to master, so the user can take control of the solution rapidly with its intuitive interface and industry-focused layout. It helps reduce costs, offering simple, intuitive tools to illustrate the company's processes. It also facilitates the implementation of change and significantly reduces training time.